Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and in your weather headlines, the clouds will move out late. We pretty much stayed dry here in the immediate delta. If you were down south anywhere along the coastline, you did see some showers. Now these Monday morning, we're going to end up having these cold mornings, which are going to lead to some cool afternoons. So you definitely have to have that jacket. The jacket will be required, and then you can kind of peel it off later in the afternoon. Now the next weather system will arrive on Friday, and that's when we can expect some showers and again some cooler temperatures. I'll have your full forecast coming up as the Delta News Weekend Edition starts in 3, 2, 1.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 10.
Well, Tamara, it's definitely feeling Christmas-like outside with that nice chill in the air. How long will that last? We'll have your out-the-door forecast after the break. Taking a look at our radar from earlier today, you can pretty much see that most of the area had some showers and they eventually moved off to the east. What we were left with today, it was a mixture of sun and clouds, but eventually the clouds kind of won out. But what we can expect, it's going to be clearing up eventually later on this evening. 1 or 2 showers again off to the east, and once we clear up, it's going to be very cold outside. So you're definitely going to need that heavier jacket for your Monday. Now our sunrise time for your Monday, 6:55 a.m. It'll set at 4:56 p.m. And your out-the-door forecast is going to shape up like this. We're going to be looking at sunny conditions, 36 degrees, so you definitely will need that puffer jacket, maybe a hat and some gloves, and then by noon we'll get on up there very quickly to 51 degrees, so you can kind of shed that layer there, and then by 5 p.m. we'll go back down to 49 degrees. Low temperatures tonight will be in the low to mid 30s in most areas. To our north, we're looking at 30 degrees at Batesville, 33 at Charleston, 34 at Cleveland, and down to our south, we're looking at Yazoo City at 35 degrees. Now, our high temperature tomorrow will be in the upper 40s north to the low to mid 50s anywhere from the south and central. We're looking at Carrollton at 51 and Kosciuszko at 51 and 53 for Chula. Now looking at those temperature differences from 24 hours, again, it's a little bit warmer tonight, but still, it's still going to feel quite frosty. You'll notice it's 5 degrees cooler down in Vicksburg, and again, it's about 2 degrees warmer in Clarksdale than what it was. Now, looking at our national view here of our fronts here, again, this is the system that's going to be exiting off here. And again, it's going to give us plenty of showers for many of the folks that are down in parts of Georgia and Florida. But for the most part, we are going to have the winds coming down from the north, which is going to be a dry, colder air. Now, as we get into the middle of the week, what will happen is we'll have another high pressure system to move in, and we'll start to have a warming trend. Now, as we advance here by noon, we're not seeing a whole lot of anything that's going on, but by Tuesday, you notice that high will be backdoor and moving back in, and that's going to pull up the warmer air down from our south. So again, it's not going to be from the north anymore, it will be from the south. And again, here's our water vapor imagery. You can see by the orange here, that's the drier air that's moving into the area. Temperature trend for the week will be below normal on Monday, and then will be above normal from Tuesday up until the end of the week. Rain chances will be toward the end of the week, in which another system will move in, and again, what will happen at that point, we will have some cooler temperatures toward the weekend. For tonight, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies, and it's becoming clear and then cold, 36 degrees. And then for your Monday, sunny and breezy, it'll be more seasonable at 54 degrees. And then looking ahead at that 7-day forecast, again, we'll be dry up until about Thursday, and then by Friday and Saturday, that's when we'll have the next system to move in, with those temperatures being above normal, Tamara, in the 60s. And notice the one day will be almost 70. And I think down to the south, that's where you're going to be looking at temperatures being maybe 1 or 2 70-degree days.